Okay, gonna do a quick review on Save-A-Lot Skillet Masters Beef Stroganoff. This is a Save-A-Lot product. They give you a 100% guarantee on the products. If you're not happy, you take it back and get your money refunded. All you need with this is a pound of hamburger, 2¼ cups milk, and half a cup of water. I've already got it open. Let me take y'all over there at the stove real quick. Okay, got it cooking here. I got the hamburger brown and waiting on getting the noodles and everything done. We eat this here all the time. It's pretty good. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done here in a few minutes. It's equivalent of Betty Crocker's Hamburger Helper, so what it is. It's just Save-A-Lot's brand. You get noodles and sauce in it. You brown your hamburger, and then add your water and the milk and everything to it. And I add seasonings to it. I got oil adobo and what the hell was that? Hang on a minute, let me find out what this was. I'm gonna put you on hold. Alright, I'm back. Baby's gate. Keep her from going up the steps. Going upstairs fell. That's what made that racket. But, yeah, I had black pepper, Goya, adobo, and Obey seasoning. I got some Italian seasoning I added to it too. They add a little extra flavor to it. You don't add seasonings and stuff to it. It's a little kind of on the bland side. Like most stuff you buy like this, you gotta add some seasonings to it to make it taste, help with the flavor, keep it from being bland. Yeah, that's pretty good. We eat. Kids here love this. I'm here by myself tonight, and I'm just fixing it for myself. Everybody, well, my roommate's teenage daughter's gone to her mom's. And her teenage daughter's gonna be home later on tonight after she gets off work. Her mommy went home right now. It's pretty easy to cook. Like I said, all you gotta do is brown your hamburger, drain the grease, then add the. I mean, like I said, you're probably gonna want to add some seasonings to it to make it taste better. And you just add the noodles and seasoning packet that comes with it. You just let it cook, and the milk and water too. You have to add milk and water to it after you brown your hamburger. Everybody here likes it. It's pretty good. I didn't want to make a real long video on this review, so I went and browned the hamburger before I started the video. This is something you can buy at Save-A-Lot. It's their version of Hamburger Helper. Their store brand version of Hamburger Helper. Just after you brown your hamburger and everything, you gotta let it cook about 5 minutes and then it'll be done. I gotta put you on hold for a minute. Okay, I'm back. I had to go do something real quick. I put you on hold. Once your noodles get done, you do this. Turn your stove off and put it over on your plate. Put it over on your plate and it's ready to eat. This is Save-A-Lot's Skillet Masters Beef Stroganoff. You can buy it at wherever you got Save-A-Lot nearby. They're 99 cents here. I don't know what they are elsewhere around the country.